So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to invite on the Novelah app. It's pretty simple to do, so let's get right into it. So here, by inviting, you just go to me, and then here you're gonna see your invitation code, which is 181195541, and then they're just gonna be prompted to your inviters or your friends to go to the enter invitation code. And once they have entered your invitation code, you will earn points. So here also in the invite, it's as you can see here. So here's your invitation code. You can copy it right here. So how do you invite? Just click the button to share the invitation link. Share and complete the registration form from your invitation link, and then you will get a bonus below once your invited friends sign in and read in the Novelah app. So as you can see here, points will be issued in 3 times, so 50,000 points if friends bind your invitation code, and you will be getting the bonus immediately. Next is 60,000 points, where your bonus points immediately when your friends read at least 3 chapters of the novel every day for 3 consecutive days, and 70,000 points if you'll get bonus points immediately when your friends read at least 5 chapters of the novel every day for 7 consecutive days. So that's just how you invite in the Novelah app, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.